Hello everyone, welcome back. This is another day for another tutorial. But before we begin, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So here we go. Today I will teach you how to use Microsoft Teams or MS Teams. So before that, let us know what is Microsoft Teams. MS Teams is a unified communication and collaboration platform that combines persistent workplace chat, video meeting, file storage, and application on integration. So how to teach online using Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is the hub for teamwork in Office 365. We can use the Microsoft Teams application if we have a Microsoft account. So before we can use the Microsoft Teams, we have to have our own Microsoft account. Otherwise, we won't be able to use it. Microsoft Teams learning targets. So these are the targets that we will tackle for today. First is to create teams. Create your own channels to add your members, make instant message or group chat. Next is to conduct a voice or video call. And lastly, to organize meetings. So first, this is how your Microsoft Teams looks like. This part here on the left side is what we call the navigation bar. Okay, so here we can see the whole view of our Microsoft Teams, including the post and the channels that we created already. This part here is what we call the channel. Then this one is what we call the team name. And the upper part is what we call the tabs and individual apps. Okay, this is very essential for us to know what are these buttons and what is the purpose of it. Lastly is what we call the canvas or the workspace. Okay, so these are the learning objectives that we have for today's tutorial. First is, again, to create a team. Second is to create a channel or channels. Third is to add members in your teams or in your Microsoft Teams. Fourth is to make an instant message or group chat in your teams. Fifth is to make a voice or video call in MS Teams. Sixth is to organize a meeting in Microsoft Teams. So first, we will create a team. Joining or creating a team. Okay, let's go to your Microsoft Teams. Click the Teams icon. Then on the upper right corner, you can see there the join or create a team. Click that one and then you will be directed here. Okay, so in joining or creating a team, we have two options. First is to create a team and second is to join a team with the code. Okay, so first we will create the team. Okay, so first we will create our own team. Just click the create team button and you will be directed here. So here there are options. You can select a team type. First type is what we call class. This is applicable for teachers. Second option is professional learning community or PLC. Third is staff, and the fourth one is the others. We will choose the class button. That's the third step, and then you will create or we will create our team. You type the name of your team here, and then you click next to create your team, and then you encode or type the person that you wanted to add in your team. Okay, let's say for example a student, I will type Jenny Hias. Okay, next is to click add. That's the next step, and then enter. After that, okay, we can see here that an account or a member is already added. Now you have to close it. So now we are here in our created themes, which is the title is grade 10 GH. Now we already know how to create or join a team. Okay, next is to create channels in Microsoft Teams. So let's go back here. We are here in our Microsoft Teams. You click the three dots beside the grade 10 GH, and you can see there the general, and then you click the general and click add channel to add channel. Okay, so here we can see the buttons. Okay, we have channel name. You have to name your channel. Okay, so here in my example, I named my channel as lecture. Next, we have description. This is only optional. You can write something here, or you may not write anything here. In my case, I put my description. That's AP 10 lectures. Next is we have click add channel. Okay, so now we can see that a channel is being added in our teams. Okay, take note that the general channel is default. We cannot delete it or we cannot hide it. Unlike the newly added channel, which is the lecture, we can delete this or we can edit this channel, but the general button, general channel cannot be edited. Next, we have our lectures is now created. Third is to add members in Microsoft Teams. Okay, to add a member, you go to the three ellipses, click the three dots. You go to the ellipses, which is the three dots, and click general channel, click add member. Okay, type here the person or the students or teachers that you want to add in your teams. Okay, in my case, I put this person here, and okay, I already typed the name, and I will add the person in my teams. Okay, so click add, and then we can see here that this person is already added in my channel, in my teams. So next thing that you need to do is to close this tab. Click close. Next is we will go to the three ellipses again, three dots or the ellipses. Then we will check or manage our team. Okay, next we have how to make an instant messenger or group chat in Microsoft Teams. So first, to make an instant message, you can click the message button at the upper corner beside the search button, and then type the person who you want to chat with. Next is you type your message here on the message box, and then you can select options. You can attach files, GIF, give an emoji, popular, praise, and etc. So there are many things that you can add here. Next, after you type your message, you can click send to deliver your message. Okay, so there are another option in sending your messages. You can go to chat box, click the chat button. Okay, that's in the navigation area. Okay, next is to select the group or individual to check your chats. Next, view the chat area here. Okay, so here we can find the chat messages, and this is also where you can send your messages. Next objective is to create a voice or video call in Microsoft Teams. Okay, so we need to go to our calls to do so. So this is the first step. You click the calls button, and then if you want to make a call, you click the telephone icon. Okay, so that's for audio call. Next, there is another option to make a phone call. We have here in our make a call, you can see the suggested. Okay, and you can also click that phone icon to make a call. Next is another option, number 4. Click the video icon to make a video call. So if you want to see the faces of your teams, then you can click the video icon to make a video call. So how to organize meeting in Microsoft Teams? We have first, step 1 is to select general channel. Step 2 is to click Meet Now. That's at the upper right corner of your tab below the profile. So click that one, and then you will be directed to this place. Okay, so now you can see your face. So now you can start a video call. So here we can see different types of buttons. Okay, so we will discuss these buttons. First is show device settings. The show device settings, its purpose is to control the camera and mic input and output. Next is show background effects. Okay, in this button you can choose to blur your background or choose any background presets given. Okay, like for example, in my video I already added a background. Okay, if you don't like the background in your or at your house, you can change your background using Microsoft Teams, and I think I love this feature of Microsoft Teams. Next is the start recording. So you can start and end your recording here if you want to record your meeting. Next is to end meeting. Okay, so if you want to stop your meeting, then you have to click this thing. Next is the 3 dots or the ellipses. You click the ellipses to pop out. Next, number 8 is to end your call. Okay, you click this button to end your call. Okay, at the right side you can see a button or a tab. Here you can invite people in your meeting, and you can also see suggestions. So let's go back in show background effects now. Once you click the show background effects, this part, okay, you will be directed in the background settings. So you can see there the pictures or the background available for you to apply as your background. So that's it. I hope you learned something about Microsoft Teams for today. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you and see you.